As you can see from behind me here, we had some snow today. We had some snow last night actually, but I thank God that I was able to go to church today. Snow didn't stop us from going to church, and it was indeed a most blessed service. Today, building on our focus this month on praise, a key word was mentioned and really struck me. He said, the pastor mentioned that fearful praise, that's heartfelt praise, true, genuine praise to God provokes divine intervention. Now, in essence, this means that our genuine thanksgiving to God, our genuine appreciation of what He's doing in our life, is a proof of our confidence, which will move God to move and work in our favor. I wrote earlier this week, it was just while studying, that in the physical world, we want to see things before we believe it. We say, show me the proof. Show me the proof. I want to see the proof. But in the spiritual world, we have to believe before we see. Praise is the spiritual exercise. It doesn't make sense physically to be praising. I mean, while you've not even got the answers you're looking for, you're praising. It doesn't make sense. But it's a spiritual exercise that we do, believing. And as we do praise believing, we will see the miracles unfold. I read in the book of 2 Chronicles 20, where the people of Judah were confronted by the people of Ammon and Moab. Now, the instruction to the people of Judah was that they should praise. They should go to war praising. This doesn't make sense. The other people have weapons, but God is instructing these group of people to praise. And I learned from that passage that praise hands over your battles to God. When you praise God, you hand over your battle to God. Because I also heard as well that, but when studying, that when you pray, yes, God answers and you move God to act in your favor. But when you praise God, He literally comes down to intervene. So as the people of Judah were actually praising, God showed up. And the people that they actually were confronted by, they started fighting each other. So you can imagine this group of innocent people going to war praising God, and the people who have come against them are supposed to be attacking them. But through the weapon of praise, they started fighting each other. This doesn't make sense. And the people of Judah literally just watched before their very eyes their enemies destroying themselves. Wow, what a power of praise. So I think that this is something that I've actually learned, and I feel we should all adapt to our lives. We should engage the weapon of praise to hand over our battles to God. The battles that we may be facing in our health, in our families, in our businesses, in any area of our life. Let's just praise God, and we'll literally just see God at work in our lives, turning the situation around in our favor. This week, let's engage the weapon of praise. Just don't. I learned as well that praise is the cheapest way to get results. You don't have to spend 1 hour, 1 hour praying. Just praise God, appreciate Him, and before you know it, you're swimming in your miracles. This week is our week. God bless you as you engage the weapon of praise. God bless you.